Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 570, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Boyle, Casey, Garrett, Lincoln, Marion, Mercer, and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for sunny. The temperature was 80 statement 60%. Broadcast radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Bluegrass region of central Kentucky, including Lexington and surrounding areas. This afternoon, sunny,